So I have this video transmitter thing, 5.8 gigahertz antenna right here, and I unplugged this connector right here. These, I don't know why I snipped them, but I snipped them for some reason. But these two right here, this red and this black is power for this thing. And then this yellow is for the video transmitter. And then this black, I'm assuming is the negative for the camera. But it's okay. I think I can give the camera some power a different way. And what we're going to do is we're going to solder this extension wire, because this will be like that, and the connection is right there. So it will be like that, and there's the battery connector, and it's going to be connected to right there. And whenever we plug in the battery, it'll give power straight to there. And we're just going to solder these extension wires, and yeah. Okay, so now I have soldered it up and put the heat shrink right over it. So now we're going to heat it up and make till it shrinks. Now we have a good connection right there. And do the same thing for the negative. Get another wire, put solder in this thing and another wire. Or you can do a different method, which is you get the wire right here, you strip the end, and then don't solder this or that, and then you just like kind of twist these butts together and then solder around it. But I just like to put solder on both of them and then put it together and heat shrink it. So you see I have soldered the wires to right here to the battery connector, plugged the battery in, and this has power. Okay, so I have glued the camera on. You see here, before I glued it on, I kind of got my knife right here and like kind of made a little dent, you know, just like cut away some foam. There's some foam sticking out right there. Cut away some of it, put it in there, and the wires, where the wires were soldered, that's the bottom. And I just put it right there, and I hot glued it around there. And you see this yellow wire, I connected those, heat shrinked it, and the long black, the black one was sticking out right here, that was negative. And then this red one right there, the second one from the left, that red is positive. It's not heat shrinked all the way because I don't know. I did heat it up a few times, but it wouldn't shrink. So anyways, so yeah, the power, it has power. And I realized whenever I was flying it, it was not doing very good connection with that, because it just wasn't doing very good connection, because it sends the signal that way, and you know I'm over here down below. And so yeah, I keep it now like this. I might add some like skis or whatever for later, you know, something like that.